let's see. Okay, I've been able to get 92.8 Nexus since yesterday. So guys, I know there are a lot of people that are already getting thousands, probably thousands of Nexus, but due to a whole lot of issue, it has become very hard for us to actually run the Nexus node. So guys, that is what Nexus. Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 2 for this week. We already dropped the first video where we discussed about Pi network and the listing price, which based on my prediction, I wasn't really much off from the amount Pi at the end of the day listed. And congratulations to the pioneers, the Pi network community, who have been able to, be part of the airdrop and the listing, and they've gained a lot of reward. You've gained a lot of back. Congratulations to you guys, and again to the pioneers, to the Pi community. But today we're going to be talking about one interesting topic that has been a rave on the internet, and that is the Nexus Testnet. There was a season 1 which I was not part of, but this season 2 I want to be imps and limbs part of it. And I'm going to be sharing with you what my experience with Nexus is. You guys should also jump on it. Alright guys, so this is the Nexus dashboard, and as you can see, I've been running the node rather. I've been running the node for more than a day now, and it's very easy to operate, but I have some problems that I'm trying to find a way to sort. One of it is my node ID, which has been a big concern. But before going into some of the setbacks that we have seen with the supercomputer Nexus, let's hear from the team themselves, or the founder, what Nexus is all about.
Hi, I'm Daniel, founder and CEO of Nexus. I'm excited to share what's coming next as we continue to deliver on our mission of enabling the verifiable internet. A new internet is only possible if we create a new kind of supercomputer, the most powerful one ever. That's why we're building the Nexus Layer 1, a planetary scale supercomputer. Operating at an unprecedented scale, the Nexus Layer 1 will concentrate all the world's compute power into a single blockchain, and then condense the entire internet into a single proof. The blockchain we're building is designed for mass adoption, ultra-high performance, and global commerce, a true world computer.
Alright guys, so there is no better person to explain what Nexus is all about than those behind the whole operation, and we've listened to them. And supercomputer running into multiplanetary systems and all that. Nice keywords. Yeah, nice keywords. But let's see what they are up to in the next few days. This is supposed to run for 3 days. So if you are yet to start running your Nexus node or being part of the Nexus Testnet, go into the description below. You will see a link that will take you straight to where you need to the page you need to start running your own node. So this is when you launch the page, this is what you're going to see, and the first thing you need to do is to register through using your email. So after registering through your email, you will have something like this profile. You see your profile here like this. If you click on that, you see your wallet address, your profile, and all that. But most importantly, you need to also connect your wallet. So what do you need to do to connect your wallet? Just link a new wallet from this area. When clicking on the link a new wallet, it will pop out all the wallets that you have installed on your PC, and then you can select which one works better for you. But I will advise you to use an AVM enabled wallet, because I think that is much more better. I'm currently using the Trust wallet, and it's not giving me any issue. But yeah, I've been doing this since yesterday, though I stopped yesterday night, and that's because this switch on button keeps giving me a big problem, because when you switch it on, it switches off itself again, then you have to switch it on again, and it's becoming a tap kind of thing. But supercomputer, what is happening? But I found out that I'm not the only one experiencing this problem. A lot of people on their X page are saying the same thing, that they have the same problem with the switch down button, because it keeps going off itself and you have to keep tapping it again to ensure that you are currently running the node. And my first go-to was to run it through a VPS, and I tried doing that, but I had a setback because I could not get my node AP high, and that's a big problem for many people as well. Although they've come out to say that they are currently working on it, because when you click add node, it will bring add CLI node, which you need to launch your node, and then it will take a moment for you to load this page. And before you do that, if you want to run VPS like I wanted to do, you can go to Mintair. I'll drop the link in the description below. Use my referral code, and then it will bring you to this page for Mintair. You will see the Nexus node. Select it. It will ask you to pay a small amount of money. I paid about $4.99 USDT, and then I was given access to this node. And if I want to complete this form, I think earlier people were completing the form using their email, but when I wanted to try it, I needed to complete this form using my node ID. But whereas when it comes to Nexus loading my ID, which is taking forever, it has been giving me a big problem, a relevant problem that many people have been complaining about on their page. Let me take a look at some of their tweets, and this is Dan, which I think is part of their development team, saying that the Nexus CLI has been fixed, has some fixes deployed. Given a node ID, it runs end to end. Yeah, if you have a ID, it runs end to end. Now you can use your VPS. But if you don't have a node yet, it's still a big problem. They said the node ID generation on Nexus OS is still getting fixed. So they are still working on the ID, and we are waiting for the ID so that we can actually run this on the cloud server instead of running it on our PC and using that and running it 247 on our PC, because we have so many other things to do, and that could be a very big burden for the PC. But nonetheless, people are still doing it. I myself, inclusive, I'm doing it. I'm running it with my PC right now because I think they might be up to something. And like I said, I'm not the only one that is experiencing the same problem. You see, this is a guy here saying that it's been almost 2 days since Nexus has been running, even though the testnet was only 3 days. It turns out the developer hasn't been able to fix the node ID issue, and see, it's having the same problem. And if we go back to their website, like I have it here, you see, unable to add a CLI node, please try again later. And that's what I've been getting since this morning. And yesterday I was getting default 1 as my node AI, which is obviously a bug. It's a problem. That's not the normal code it's supposed to load. That's not an ID. But yet this is going to run for just 3 days, and they have not been able to solve this problem. But I am thinking they are going to actually extend. Like I said, it has switched off again. They are going to extend the time. They might need to extend it for another 2 to 3 days again, so that it will be fair to every other person who is currently running this through their mobile phone or their PC, because you can do this using your mobile phone or using your PC. And how many Nexus have I been able to get since yesterday? Okay, let me take a look at my wallet. Let's see how many Nexus I've gotten since yesterday. Okay, this is asking for my password. Let's see. Okay, I've been able to get 92.8 Nexus since yesterday. So guys, I know there are a lot of people that are already getting thousands, probably thousands of Nexus, but due to a whole lot of issue, it has become very hard for us to actually run the Nexus node. So guys, that is what Nexus is all about. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't start getting into this opportunity and running your own. You should start doing that, because of course this might be big and this might be nothing, but don't miss out on this opportunity. It costs $0 to do that, unless you want to run the node on the cloud server. That is when you need to pay the $5 that I have to pay. But guys, that's all for Nexus. If you have not joining, I'll drop the link in the description below. Let me know what you think about this. And for those that have actually earned a lot from the Pi network listing activity, thumbs up to you guys. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. Oh, Pi is dropping is dropping like a fly. Another opportunity for shotters here to short these and then make a turn from these. But yeah, guys, that's it from me. The button is turned off again. That's it from me for today on Nexus. If you have not joined, like I said, join and jump on Nexus immediately. Very straightforward. Register with your email, connect your wallet, launch your Nexus node on your PC and start running it. And if you want to run it on the cloud server, go to Mintair.xyz, launch, register there, connect your wallet. You'll see a Nexus node right there. Click on it, pay for it, and wait for your ID. But I don't advise you pay for that if this is going to be ending in the next one day. Big up your damn self, guys. Big up your damn selves. I'll be seeing you in the next episode, guys.